kiria kirekagia kuhambata na ngarangano-ini cia gonya na kiria kioikaine ta KCB riu nikirikitie kuhurwo njeki mbere ya mbitika iria cioikaine ta Prinsloo 7 gukorwo ikianjiriria wikendi no au ni thutha wa muthaki uria hoikaine ta Geoffrey Okwach gukorwo agicokereria na ni thutha wake gukorwo ari nja gwa kahinda. Wa timu ino Andrew Monde ni atanyitwo riu kurikia gwika mogaruruku riria matanyitwo guthi na mbere na mbitika ici na kana riri athaki matanyitwo gwika kana guthi na mbere na kwihariria na mbere ya mbitika iria irathi na mbere kuria mwena wa Mombasa na iria ciuikaine ta Driftwood.
Going to correct some of the things that didn't go well for us in Mombasa. So that's the main focus that we've been having for the last 4 weeks. So there's been a lot of intense training to just get the level of fitness at the part that we want them to operate at. And I think we've done our best as a team, and we are ready to go to Prinsloo. The biggest thing now going to 7 is just how much are we able to retain the ball, able to play well in our set plays, and to have a more convincing play when we are playing, and to execute more when we have the ball in hand. So those are the things that we felt short in Mombasa. So we've come back we've drilled the boys, and they were very positive about it. So it's a matter of getting a chance also just to present themselves and see how good they've come. Coach is a coach. It's just something that we have to think about, how is he going to fit into the team, and we know what he can come back and get a place and play. So we have him in the bracket. It's just Okwach and also Michael Wanjala who is back with us.